colorful pens. Wow! Hello kids, today we will do matching. We have some letters and some pictures. Say with me. E, A, C, B, F, D. Apple, cat, elephant, dog, fish, ball. Let's color. Orange color. Red color. Green color. Blue color. Pink color. Purple color. E goes with elephant. E, elephant. A goes with apple. A, apple. C goes with cat. C, cat. B goes with ball. B, ball. F goes with fish. F, fish. D goes with dog. D, dog. Very good! Our matching is complete. Kids, like the video.